Welcome to Best.js tutorial, and today lecture I will show you how to edit vertex of digitize work, that how to add vertex to the segment, how to delete vertex from the segment, and how to move segment from one point to another point. I continue the lecture with our previous work that we done. Now if I want to edit the vertex of this digitized work at any point, then I can do it easily. I show you how to edit vertex. First go to edit and start the editing by here, start editing. Now pick the select feature tool from here. Now zoom that area where you want to edit the vertex. Let's suppose I zoom this area and click on this region. That area is selected. Now go to toolbar and pick the edit vertex tool from here. You can see that all the vertex are active to that area which I was selected. Now if you want to add the vertex to the segment at the location by you click, then just pick the edit vertex tool and click on the location where you want to add it to the segment. Like I pick the add vertex tool and go to that location and click on this segment, the vertex will be added to that location. You can see that the vertex is added to that segment. Similarly, if you want to delete a segment from any location, then just pick the delete segment tool and click on the vertex that you want to delete it. Let's suppose I delete this vertex from this segment and click on this. You can see that the vertex is deleted. If you want to delete the another vertex, then just click on that, the vertex will be deleted. So when you again add the vertex to the segment, then just pick the add vertex tool and click on the segment, the vertex will be added to the segment. Now listen carefully. Initially the vertex was here, which was deleted by me. Now when I added again the vertex to that segment, that is cannot come back to its original place. At that situation, we can drag it to its original place like that by pick this vertex and drag it to its original place. We can move the vertex from one point to another point by dragging like that. Pick the vertex and move up and down where you want to move it. So when you modify your work, then go to editor tool and save your edits and stop the editing. That is all about edit vertex, that how to add vertex to the segment and how to delete vertex from the segment and how to move vertex from one point to another point. If you have any question in today's lecture, then please type your question in comment section. I will try to help you. Please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.